Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss question number 15 of the chapter Gravitation of class 9. Here is the question. Let us solve this question. This question is: a stone is thrown vertically upward. We are going this is solution. A stone is thrown vertically upward. This is the stone. Suppose it is thrown vertically upward, right? With the initial velocity is given as 40 meter per second, 40 meter per second. Taking g as 10 meter per second square, and the value of g in this direction, therefore the value will be minus 10. It will be minus 10 meter per second square, minus 10 meter per second square, meter per second square, because the value of g is in this direction and the ball is going upward. Find the maximum height. Suppose this ball reached at a height of here and the final velocity will be 0, right? And the height, let us take this height as h, right? We will find the value of maximum height attained by the stone, right? We know that according to the equation of motion under gravity, we know that according to the equation of motion, under gravity, we can write v square minus u square is equal to v square minus u square is equal to 2g, and height is the distance, height, right? Then put the value. What is the value of v? The value of v is 0 minus what is the value of u? That is 40 square is equal to 2. What is the value of g? The value of g is minus 10 into h. Therefore, we will get the value, that is minus 20h minus 20h is equal to minus 40 square, right? This minus and this minus will cancel out. Therefore, the value of h is equal to 40 into 40 and divided by 20, right? And this 0 will cancel out. 2 and 2, 2 to the 4, that is 80 meter. Therefore, the height attained will be 80 meter. What is the maximum height reached by the stone? Therefore, the maximum height, reached by the stone is equal to 80 meter, right? What is the net displacement and the total distance covered? Total distance covered, we will find the total distance covered by the stone. Total distance covered covered by the stone, total distance covered by the stone during its upward and downward journey is equal to, from here to here it is 80 meter, from A to B it is 80 meter, and from B to A it is also 80 meter, that is 80 meter plus 80 meter, 80 meter plus 80 meter, that is 160 meter. This is the distance, that is upward and downward journey. Now, what is the net displacement? Net displacement will be, and we know that displacement is a vector quantity. Therefore, it goes to here, that is in positive direction it goes plus 80, right, that is plus 80, and from here to here you get as minus negative minus 80, therefore the value is 0. You see here, because the ball goes from A to B and again B to A, at the same position it comes, therefore the net displacement is 0, right. So, net displacement during upward and downward journey, net displacement during upward and downward journey is equal to 0. That is our answer. This is one answer and this is another answer. Thank you everybody for watching this video.